Hello guys, welcome to our channel Learning and Fun. So guys, in today's video we will learn how to improve our vocabulary by using some advanced words instead of using the word very with some common words. So let's get started.
Very noisy.
Deafening.
Very often.
Frequently.
Very old.
Ancient.
Very old-fashioned.
Archaic.
Very painful.
Excruciating.
Very pale.
Ashen.
Very perfect.
Flawless.
Very poor.
Destitute.
Very powerful.
Compelling.
Very pretty.
Beautiful.
Very quick.
Rapid.
Very quiet.
Hushed.
Very rainy.
Pouring.
Very rich.
Wealthy.
Very sad.
Sorrowful.
Very scared.
Petrified.
Very scary.
Chilling.
Very serious.
Grave.
Very sharp.
Keen.
Very shiny.
Gleaming.
Very short.
Brief.
Very simple.
Basic.
Very shy.
Timid.
Thank you. So that's the end of the video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.